Hello everyone, start off by tying a ponytail in the front section of the hair. Now roll the hair in on itself through this section, bring it to the bottom and then afterwards tighten it once you are done. Now divide the hair into two parts, make two braids out of it as such, and once again roll the braids in on themselves as such. Bring them through but do not pull them all the way as such. Leave them be so that you can make a bow shape out of it as such. Spread them out and then adjust it as need be. Now afterwards roll up the ends of it and then pin it up upwards as such. Use a bobby pin in order to pin it up in place. Use decorative pins all about as such. Next, take the top section of the hair, add a rubber band at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such. Pull it all the way through and then tighten it once you're done. Make two braids out of the two sections that you have created of this section and then slowly begin to roll either of the braids into the circular shape as such and then pin it up on either of the sides. Use this bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Do the same out of the left side of it as well, and then once you roll it up, you may tie it up together as such. This is what it should look like. Now add decorative pearls in the center, then take a decorative pin, add it in the front of it all. Make two braids on either side, small ones, join it at the back, roll these braids in on itself at the bottom, lift it up and make a bow shape out of it. Next, take the top section of the hair, tie it up and then take a small section of this big section and then begin to make a braid out of it. Loosen the sides of this braid as you progress with it as such. Loosen it only on one side, we are loosening the right side as such. Now once you reach the bottom, tie a rubber band to it and then slowly begin to roll it upwards as such in the circular shape. Make sure that you roll it so that the portion that you have pulled out remains on the outside. Now add bobby pins to fasten it in its place. Take a section of the hair from the left side, begin to make a braid out of it and then include more and more sections of the middle section into this braid. Do the same on the right side. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then make two braids out of it to begin with. Leave two more sections unattended and then afterwards take one of the sections, wrap it around the hair stick, make a bun out of it as such. Take the second section that is left over as well and then make another bun out of it. Taking the remaining portion of the hair, wrap it around the bun and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin once you are done with this. Take the braid, wrap it around and then take the second braid and do the same thing out of it as well. Now afterwards, wrap it around into the circular shape and then pin it up on the side. Use a bobby pin in order to do so and then add decorative clips all around. Next, start off by taking this machine and then afterwards insert the hair into it as such. Once you've inserted it into it, then slowly begin to twist it. As you twist it, this is what it should look like. You may make it twisted one on top of the other and then afterwards it'll do the work for you. Add a rubber band at the end of it as such. Now, insert all of these colorful strands of hair into the middle part of your hair twist as such. Once you do this, move from the left to the right side as such. You may use this gadget in order to pull it through the middle. Now, once you have done so, this is what it should look like. As you move towards the right side, comb the hair into place. Next, leave out two sections of the hair in the front and then afterwards take all of the sections of the hair at the back and then begin to twist it as such. Divide it into two parts in order to do so. Now, taking the sections of the hair that you have left in the front, slowly begin to include these sections of the hair into it as well. This way, you'll be including all of the four sections of the hair at one point or the other as such. Take turns in doing so and then once you reach the bottom, you may tie a rubber band to it and this is what it should look like. It should look like a four-section braid as such. Now, afterwards, loosen the sides using your fingers on all of the ends. Once you are done with this will be the final look of our braid. Next, we'll start off by taking this decorative hair clip and then afterwards insert the ponytail hair into it. Moving from the bottom to the top as such, roll the hair upwards and now roll it up into a bun. Adjust it as need be and then insert one into the other. As you can see, we have adjusted it and now add a rubber band or a clip around it. We have used this decorative clip on the side. Thank you for watching.